try in the box. Yes. Oh. Hi, Aliza.
Hi.
What is this?
This is my new drone.
New drone? Wow.
Yes.
Who gave it to you?
My mama.
Your mama presented to you?
Yes.
Wow,
my mama
that's
presented.
great. That's great. So, it seems like blinking lights.
Yeah.
It's a
They
propeller also, and
Yeah,
everything. It's like a
red
complete.
light, red light, green light, blue light, blue light.
Are you excited about it?
Yes.
Okay, let's fly it.
Okay.
So, okay, first put the drone in the horizontal space.
Yes, we have to put
Okay.
here. We have to put it in here, and we have to take the note
Okay.
and on it.
Mm-hmm.
See. Let's start.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow! That's great. It's up. Wow. It's real drone. Wow. Wow, it's lovely. It's visiting to the home. It's going to the kitchen.
Now it's coming back.
Oh wow, that's great. Oh, wow. Down it, down it, down it. It's going to the kitchen. Yes, use the remote. Oh wow, that is landing. Very good. It's land.
Yes, I
Okay.
enjoy it.
Enjoy the flight of drone.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so what you learned today with this? I mean, it should not be actually fly in the home, isn't it?
Yes, it has to should fly outside,
Yes.
but with adults.
With adults, yes,
We have
exactly.
to be with adults.
We have to follow the safety rules
To
also.
rules also.
Exactly. It sometimes it can hurt
Hurt to
Yes.
some people
some people.
and
See,
some kids.
some
one
kids
little.
also. Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. Okay.
Bye.